morning students. See, in the last class we have seen how to convert angles from radian to degrees. So today we will see convert following radians to degrees. Convert the radian measurements to degrees. Convert the radian measurements to degrees. See here, so first one, that is 5 pi by 3. Second, 7 pi by 6. 11 pi by 4. 21 pi by 2. 11 pi by 2. So these are 5 pi by 6. See, so these angles are in radians. We have to convert in terms of degrees, right? So already we know what is the formula here. So degree is equal to, what is degree? So that is 180 divided by pi into radian meter. So this formula already we know to convert from radian to degree. So degree is equal to 180 by pi into radian. So first one, so what is first one here? Use this formula, you can do here. So what is the formula? 180 by pi into radian. See here. So directly we can substitute 180 by pi into radian. What is radian value? Radian value is 5 pi by 3. Right? So radian value is 5 pi by 3. See, substitute here.
300 degrees.
Right, so 5 pi by 3. 5 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 360. 60 into 5 is how much it is? 300 degrees. So that is 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 is nothing but how much? 300 degrees. Similarly here also same. 180 divided by pi into radian. What is radian value? 7 pi by 6. Right, so pi will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 30s are. So now it is how much? 30 into 7 is how much? 210 degrees. Similarly 11 pi by 4. Right, so that is 180 divided by pi into 11 pi by 4. Pi will get cancelled. Right, now it is 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. Now it is 45. 45 into 11. How much it is? 450 plus 1. So how much it is? 45 into 11 is 495 degrees. Similarly 11 pi by 2. So that is 180 by pi into radian measurement. What is the radian value? So radian value is how much it is? 11 pi by 2. So this pi will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 90s are. So 11 into 90. How much it is? 990 degrees. Similarly 5 pi by 6. 180 by pi into 5 pi by 6. Now this 5 will get cancelled. Right? Now 6 ones are 6 30s are. So 30 into 5, how much it is? 35s are 150 degrees. So this is how we can convert. So that is radian to degree. We have formula. What is that formula? 180 by pi into radian value. So that is 180 by pi into 5 pi by 3 is 300. Is it clear, students? Just apply the formula and substitute that value. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. It's very easy. It may ask for 1 marks. Write down. See students, next. See next. Now convert 6 radians into degrees. Convert 6 radians into degrees. See students, everybody is having calculator, no? Already told in the last class. Everybody is having calculator, simple calculator.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
please be with the calculator. Now see it. So how to convert 6 radians into degrees? See, don't write. So degrees. What is the formula? What is the formula? 180 by pi into radians. See here. So 180 divided by pi into radians. How many radians? It is 6. Now here we can observe pi is not getting cancelled here. So in the previous examples that pi is getting cancelled and we are getting the answer directly. But in this problem, so pi is not getting cancelled. In this case, see here, 180 in place of pi we can substitute 22 by 7 into 6. So pi, if pi is cancelled then it is okay. If pi is not getting cancelled, substitute pi as 22 by 7. Now this is 180 into 6 into the 7 will go to the numerator into 7 divided by 22. Tell me the answer students by using calculator. Tell me the simplified answer by using calculator.
343.636.
Degree is equal to how much? How much?
343.6363. 343, sir.
343.636.
636.
Right here. Now, so always the degree value is always a whole number. It cannot be fraction. Right? So 32.5 degree does not exist. So then we have to convert this fractional part into minutes and seconds. See here, don't write. So this is degrees. So now how we can write? See here, degree is equal to, now this I can write it as 343 degrees plus 0.636 degrees. That I will write whole part and fractional part I will separate. So now 343 degrees plus 0.636. Now see here, now it is 343 degrees plus 0.636. I will multiply by 60. When we multiply by 60, that degree will be converted into minutes. So tell me what is 0.636 into 60? Tell me what is 0.636 into 60?
38.16.
38.16. Tell me one more digit. Is it only 38.16?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 38.16 minutes. Right? So again see here. Now degree is equal to, now 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 0.16 minutes. Again convert that fractional part and that is here. Now degree is equal to, now 343 degree plus 38 minutes. Again multiply by 60 here. 0.16 into 60. When you multiply by 60, this minutes will be converted into seconds. Tell me what is 0.16 into 60? Tell me what is 0.16 into 60?
9.6.
9 point how much?
9.6, sir.
9.6. See here. Now we can write the final answer as degree is equal to, now it is 343 degrees, next 38 minutes. Now 9.6 round off to higher value. See here. When after point if 5 or more than 5, that we have to round off to higher value. See, for example, if it is 9.3, we have to round off to 9. If it is 9.4, we have to round off to 9. If it is 9.5 or more than 9.5, we have to write it as 10. After decimal point, if that value is 5 or more, we have to round off that value to higher value. Now it is 9.6, that we can write it as 10 seconds. So this is the degree value For the radian, how much it is? 6 radians. So 6 radians is nothing but 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 10 seconds. So degree value cannot be fraction. So we have to express that value in terms of minutes and seconds. I will explain once again, see students. So convert 6 radians into degrees. It maths for 2 marks. So it is 180 by pi into radian. Now 180 by pi into what is radian is 6. Here pi will not get cancelled. So therefore in place of pi substitute 22 by 7. So now substitute 22 by 7. 180 into 6 into 7 by 22. We are getting 343.636. So now we can write it as 343 degree plus 0.636 degrees. Now multiply this 0.636 by 60, convert this degree into minutes. Already we know when we multiply by 60, that degree is converted into minutes. Now 0.636 into 60, 38.16 minutes. Again this is 38 minutes plus 0.16 minutes. Again multiply by 60. 0.16 into 60 is how much? 9.6 seconds. Now round off to higher value, so that is 10 seconds. Therefore 6 radian is nothing but 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 10 seconds. Is it clear, friends? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for everyone? Okay, write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down.
Sir, 343.6 is there, no? So it is greater than 5, no?
No, that value you cannot round off. You round off in seconds. Last value you have to round off that. Before that, after decimal point, you have to write 3 values and convert in minutes and again convert in seconds. You have to round off in last value. That is, you have to round off in seconds. Is it over? If pi is not getting cancelled, then you have to represent that angle in terms of minutes and seconds. Because in computer, if you write it as 36.5 degree, it will not take. Only you have to write degrees, whole number, minutes, whole number and seconds, whole number. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See the next one. Convert. It's over now. Right. See next. Convert. That is 4 radians to degrees. Convert. See, convert 4 radians to degree. See, so again same, degree is equal to 180 by pi into radians. Right, so degree is equal to 180 by pi. So pi into radian. How many radians it is? 4 radians. Here also we can observe that pi is not getting cancelled. Right? So therefore 180 divided by 22 by 7 into 4. So therefore 180 into 4 into 7 divided by 22. So tell me the answer by using calculator. What is
180? So 229.09.
Tell me the exact way. After decimal point, you have to tell me 3 value.
229.091, sir.
091. Is it clear whether you are getting this value? So that is 180 into 4 into 7 by 22 that is 229.091 degree. So therefore degree is equal to, again same, that is 229 degree plus 0.091 degree. Right, so therefore degree is equal to, now 229 degree plus 0.091 into 60. When you multiply with 60, that degree is converted into minutes. So what is the value of 0.091 into 60?
54.6.
54.6 minutes. Right, 54.6 minutes. So again degree is equal to, see here, so 229 degree plus 54 minutes plus 0.6 minutes. Is it clear? 54 minutes plus 0.6 minutes. So now degree is equal to,
It's 5.46, sir. 46.
0.091 into 60. How much it is? Please check 1 second. 0.091 into 60.
5.46.
Everybody please use a calculator. 0.091
Sir, we are getting 54.6.
0.091 into 60. I think you have
Yes,
different
sir,
companies calculators.
52.6.
Is it not? Everybody is
5.
having different companies calculators are general, so you might be getting different answers.
0.91 into 60, no, sir?
Please, I request everyone to use the same company's calculators.
0.091.
0.091 into 60 and tell me the answer.
5.46, sir.
5.46.
Yes, sir.
5.46.
5.46. Please use the calculator and tell me what is 0.091 into 60. It is 5.46, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then here we have to write. So 5 minutes plus 0.46 minutes. Right. So now it is 229 degree plus 5 minutes plus, again it is 0.46 into 60 seconds. So therefore degree is equal to, now it is 229 degree plus 5 minutes. Tell me what is 0.46 into 60? What is 0.46 into 60?
27.6.
90?
27.6, sir.
27.6, huh? Is it 27.6? Then round off to higher value, because after point it is 6. So therefore, what is the degree value here? It is 229 degrees, 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear, no?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you convert that 229 degree plus 0.091. 0.091 into 60 is 5.46. Again 5 plus 0.46. 0.46 into 60, 27.6. When you round off to higher value, you are getting 28. Right? Okay, then next, easy to write it fast. Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Convert, next problem, 11 by 6 radians into degrees. Convert 11 by 6 radians to degrees. Students, seems the same. So that is degree is equal to 180 by pi into radians. So degree 180 by pi, that is 22 by 7 into radian. What is radian? It is 11 by 6. Right, so therefore it is 180 into, now you can see here it is 6 ones are 6 30s are, right. So radian is 11 by 6, 6 ones are 6 30s are. Now 30 into 11 into the 7 will go to the numerator 7 divided by 22. Use the calculator and tell me the answer. 180 by pi is 22 by 7 into 11 by 6, 6 ones are 6 30s are. 30 into 11 into 7 by 22. Tell me the answer in calculator. 30 into 11 into 7 by 22.
105, sir.
105.
Yes, sir.
Which is whole number? There is no fractional part.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then this is the answer. 105 degree, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. Now this is your answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. If there is a fractional part, then you have to convert in minutes and seconds. If there is no fractional part, you can write it as 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, next problem. A wheel makes, see next problem. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. 360 revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute. Through how many radians? Through how many radians? Through how many radians does it turn? Does it turn in 1 second? See students, next. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Means what, students? First understand the problem. In 1 minute, how many revolutions? 360 revolutions. 1 revolution means how much radians? 1 revolution means how much radians? 360 degrees in radians is how much it is? 2 pi radians, right? So a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? In 1 second, so how many radians it will travel, or how many radians it rotates in 1 second. So first we'll find number of rotations in, or number of revolutions in 1 second. First we'll find number of revolutions in 1 second. So a wheel makes 360 revolutions in, so 360 revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute means how much it is? 60 seconds, right? So how many revolutions we will make in 1 second? So how many revolutions it will make in 1 second? Let us say it is x. So it will make 360 revolutions in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. How many revolutions in 1 second? So already we know this in high school, that is 360, that is x into 60 is equal to what? 360 into 1. Is it clear? So 360 revolutions in 60 seconds. How many revolutions in 1 second? So therefore x into 60 is equal to 360 into 1. What is x? Now 360 divided by 60, that is x is equal to how much it is? 6. Therefore 6 revolutions in 1 second. So therefore the wheel completes 6 revolutions or 6 rotations in 1 second. Therefore, so what is the answer here? What is the answer? For 1 revolution it is 2 pi radians. For 6 revolutions it is how much? 6 into 2 pi radians. Therefore, the wheel makes that is 6 into 2 pi, that is 12 pi radians in 1 second. Is it clear, students? See, I will explain one more time. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. So that is, it rotates how many times? 360 times in 1 minute. So what is the question? Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? See here. If wheel completes one rotation, that means it travels how much? 2 pi radians. If it completes 2 rotations, that means it travels how much? 4 pi radians. If it completes 3 rotations, that is 6 pi. If it completes 4 rotations, that is 8 pi. If it completes 5 rotations, it means 10 pi. So in 1 second, how many rotations in radians it has traveled? So in order to find this, first we have to find the number of rotations or number of revolutions in 1 second. In 360 revolutions in 60 seconds, how many revolutions in 1 second? So take it as x. So 360 x into 60 is equal to 360 into 1. What is x? 360 by 60. X is equal to 6. That is, the wheel makes how many revolutions? 6 revolutions or 6 rotations in 1 second. So therefore, in 1 second it is traveling, it is rotating 6 times. So how many radians? That is, the wheel makes 6 into 2 pi, that is 12 pi radians in 1 second. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on. Over.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. Find the degree measure. Next problem. Find the degree measure of the angle at the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 cm. See, students, next problem. Find the degree measure of the angle at the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. See, this is the circle they are given already. So radius is 100 centimeter and arc length is 22 centimeter. Now this radius is 100 centimeter and arc length, this length is given. How much is this length? It is 22 centimeter. Now we have to find this angle in degrees. Is it clear? So find the degree measure of the angle at the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter. Radius is 100 by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Arc length is 22 centimeter. We have to find this angle in degrees. So here, see here, they have given radius, that is r. R is equal to 100 centimeter, right? And arc length, L is given. Arc length is nothing but what? L. Radius is r is 100. Arc length L is 22. Here we have to use the formula theta is equal to L by r. Is it clear, students? We have formula theta is equal to L by r. What is L value? L value is 22 divided by r value. What is r value? R value is 100. So 22 by 100 is nothing but what? 0.22 radians. So keep in mind, so when we use theta is equal to L by R formula, so when we use theta is equal to L by R formula, that answer is always in radians. That answer is always in radians. So now we are getting the answer as 0.22 radians. Now we have to find this radians into, we have to convert this radians into degree, because they are asking the question, find the degree measure of the angle. Now we got the answer in radians. Again we have to convert this radians into degrees. Same, theta is equal to 0.22. So use that formula. What is that formula? 180 by pi into radian. Already we know how to convert radian into degree. Already we have done 180 by pi into radian. How many radians? 0.22 radians. So now theta is equal to 180 divided by pi is 22 by 7 into 0.2. Theta is equal to 180 into 7 into 0.22. Right, so 180 into 7 into 0.22 divided by 20. Tell me the answer in calculator. 180 into 7 into 0.22 divided by 22. Use the calculator and tell me the answer. Tell me fast. 180 into 7 into 0.22 by 22.
12.6.
12.6. Only this much, 12.6 radians. Right, so again convert this in minutes. So now it is 12 degree plus 0.6 degrees. So theta is equal to 12 degree plus 0.6 into 60. When we multiply by 60, that degree is converted into minutes. Now theta is equal to 12 degree plus 0.6 into 60. How much it is? 0.6 into 60. How much? 36, no? How much 0.6 into 60?
36, sir.
36, sir.
36 minutes. There is no fractional parts. Therefore, the answer in degree is 12 degree, 36 minutes, 0 seconds. So, this is the angle in degrees. So, when we use the formulas here, I will explain once again. So, what is the problem? Find the degree measure of the angle at the center of circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22. So now the arc length is 22, radius is 100. So what is this angle in degrees? They are asking, right? So L is given, so L is 22, R is 100. Use the formula, we know theta is equal to L by R. When we use theta is equal to L by R, 22 by 10, it is 0.22 radians. So when we use theta is equal to L by R formula, that answer is in radians. So but they are asking the answer should be in degree, right? So again convert this radians into degree. So 0.22 already we know how to convert this radians into degree as we have discussed earlier. Is it clear, student, this problem?
Yes, sir.
It's clear, no? Everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down.
Clear.
Okay. Over. Is it over, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See the next
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Okay, see. Next problem. See, that is the next problem. the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its stick move? In 40 minutes. In the bracket they are given, use pi is equal to 3.14. That is given in the problem. See students, see, don't write. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its stick move in 40 minutes? See. This is clock, right? See. Now see, this is the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. So now this is minute hand of a watch. How much it is? 1.5 centimeter long. Right? So this is the minute hand of a watch and length is 1.5 centimeter. How far does its tip move? So this is tip. Now it is moving like this. It is moving. So how far does its tip move in 40 minutes? Now this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. After 40 minutes that tip will come here. Is it clear? That tip initially here, after 40 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now that tip is here. Now how far that tip is moving means we have to find this distance. See here. We have to find this distance. That distance is nothing but what? Arc length, right? So this is nothing but we have to find this distance. From here to here we have to find. From here to here means we have to find this arc length. We have to find this distance. That is the distance that tip move in 40 minutes. So this is the distance we have to find. That is nothing but arc length. If you want to find this, first we have to find this angle in radian. First we have to find this. Is it clear, students? If we find this value, even this we know r. R is nothing but radius of circle. This is in the shape of circle. Radius is 1.5. We have to find this L. Arc length we have to find. This theta we don't know. First we have to find this theta. If we got the answer for theta, then easily we can find L. So that L is nothing but distance traveled by the tip in 40 minutes. Is it clear, students? What is given in the problem and what we need to find? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? No? Right. First we have to find this theta. How to find this theta here? So that complete one rotation means what? That complete one rotation means what? How many minutes? 16 minutes. 16 minutes means how many radians? How many radians?
2 pi radians.
Now it is traveled for how many minutes? 40 minutes. In 40 minutes, how much it is traveling? Let us say it is theta. I don't know. For 60 minutes, that total radiation, that is total coverage is how much it is? 2 pi radians. So for 40 minutes, I don't know. Let us take it as theta. Same. 60 into theta, that is 60 into theta is equal to 40 into 2 pi. So therefore, what is theta? 40 into 2 pi divided by 60. Now see here. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. So what is theta? 2 2s 4 pi by 3. Now this angle is how much it is? 4 pi by 3. So in 40 minutes, that angle formed is how much it is? 4 pi by 3. Is it clear, students?
Sir, you told to use pi as 3.14.
No, later we will see. Next in the end, while calculation we will substitute as pi as 3.14. Right? So now finding this angle, theta keep pi as it is. Now we know that theta is equal to what is the formula? L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. Now we have to find L. What is L? L is nothing but R into theta. What is L? L is nothing but R into theta. L is equal to R. What is R value? It is 1.5 into theta. What is theta? What is theta? 4 pi by 3. Now here substitute pi as 3.14 and tell me the value of L. Is it clear? Here R into theta, R value is 1.5, theta is 4 pi by 3. Now substitute pi as 3.14 and tell me the value of L.
$6.28, sir.
Now L is 6.28 centimeter. Now the tip, now how far does its tip move? Tip move 6.28 centimeter in 40 minutes. Is it clear, students? See, the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? So now this is minute hand. So now first, this is the distance we have to find, that is nothing but arc length. So first we will find this theta. So for 60 minutes it is 2 pi. For 40 minutes we have to find that theta. So first find that value, we are getting how much? 4 pi by 3. So then theta is equal to L by R. So then what is L? R into theta. R value is 1.5. Theta is 4 pi by 3. Now substitute pi as 3.14. We are getting L as 6.28 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? This problem is clear, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's clear for everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay, right on.